lasts for the lifetime of the car. Sounds nice, but it's nothing more than marketing. The truth: transmission fluid is not eternal. Over time, it breaks down, loses its properties, and gets dirty. Why? Inside every transmission, there are friction discs. They work by constant contact and wear. As they wear down, they create tiny particles and dust. Those particles mix with the fluid, and then the problems begin. The filter gets clogged. The solenoids inside the valve body get dirty. You feel jerks when shifting. The car starts slipping at higher RPM, and in the worst case, the transmission overheats. If you never change the fluid, your transmission will die long before the car itself. Forget the lifetime fluid fairy tale. Stay smart. Protect your car. Don't fall for the myth. Change your transmission fluid every 30 to 60,000 miles. Do that, and your car will outlive the promises of any manufacturer.